But the big question is this. Is this year 1975 the final year, the last year before the Great Tribulation breaks and reaches its climax in the battle of the great day of God the Almighty at Armageddon?
Well, we don't have to guess what the year 1975 means. If we read the Watchtower, because the Watchtower has been very explicit as to what the year 1975 means for us. When God will bring the battle of Armageddon and clean this old earth off, and you'll be ushered right into a paradise earth forevermore, never again to be afflicted with this satanic old system of things. It will be gone down.
And at sundown on September the 5th, the lunar year 1975 ends. So you see, we haven't got much left to the year 1975. It's going to end at sundown of September the 5th. And that immediately after September the 5th, why, the millennial kingdom of the Lord Jesus Christ must begin in order to fulfill the final 1,000 years of God's great seventh creative day. And they're expecting the great tribulation to occur and the destruction of Babylon the Great and the annihilation of all the political systems of this world, and then the binding of Satan and his demons and their abyssing to occur before this year is ended, this year 1975. And immediately thereafter, the 1,000-year reign of the Lord Jesus Christ to begin. If we'll go to this red book here, Everlasting Life in Freedom of the Sons of God, and we turn to pages 31 through 35, we find there a chart which is headed Chart of Significant Events in from the creation of man to the year 7,000 Anno Mundi. 7,000 from the creation of man. 1,000 years from now. And what does it say regarding that? The end of the 7,000-year day of human existence in the early autumn. Now that's all it says about 1975. And that's all we can say to John Dart, the religious editor of the Los Angeles Times, or anybody else out there in the world who wants to know what we have published regarding this critical year. We know it's a critical year. We know we're near something, but we're not saying.
The Watchtower was encouraging people to sell their homes. These people then donated the proceeds to the Watchtower. The Watchtower got rich off 1975. They promised him only a few years, at most, remain before God destroys the corrupt system of things dominating the earth. There are people that claim it was only speculation in regards to 1975 being the end. However, this does not appear to be a reality, and the Watchtower even admits that their statements implied 1975 as a probability, not a possibility. Some people try and support the Watchtower and justify their actions. However, it would appear that their intent is just as corrupt as the Watchtower itself.
Well, should excite all of us. There are the skeptics who say, well, I'm not going to think about it and not worry about it. Not even going to pay attention to it. Well, now remember, brothers, the faithful and discreet slave is used by Jesus Christ to do what? Jesus says to provide meat in due season. This is meat, and it's come at the right time, and it's in its due season, and it's not wrong to think about it and to look forward to it.